everyone, and welcome to Anne's Family Recipe. Today I'm making cheeseburger salad. This recipe is inspired by a very old recipe from Rachael Ray when she was on 30-minute meals back in the early 2000s. It's a cheeseburger salad. It's so delicious. It's definitely a low-carb option because you're eliminating the bun, but you've got this nice, crunchy, hearty salad with these juicy little cheeseburgers on top and an amazing mustard-based vinaigrette. So let me show you how I make it. I'm starting by adding about a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce to 2 pounds of ground beef. And this step is really important. You want to season your meat. You can use whatever kind of burger seasonings you like, but it's really nice to have that savory contrast to a lot of the tangy, vinegary ingredients that are in the rest of the salad. So I also added in about a tablespoon of minced onion. You could also dice up a little bit of fresh onion, really small. And then some of my buttery burger blend. I love that. Maybe about a half a teaspoon of that. And then a sprinkle of kosher salt and black pepper. And then I just use my hands to mix this all together until all the spices are evenly incorporated into the meat, and then I'll form some mini burger patties. I poured about 2 tablespoons of olive oil into my nonstick skillet. I turned the heat up to about medium-high, and then I rolled my little mini burgers. I made mine about the same size as I would a meatball and then just smashed it down, and these only took a few minutes to cook on each side. I like to cover mine with a lid while they're cooking just so they cook a little bit quicker and all the way through. You can use any kind of cheese that you like. I used just a classic yellow American, and I divided each slice into 4 little squares so they would fit perfectly over each of my burgers. And then I covered them again so that the cheese would melt quickly. I did have to cook 2 batches of burgers, so I wanted to show you here that in between I used my turkey baster to remove any excess grease. And you could also turn off the heat and quickly wipe down the inside of your skillet with a paper towel. I think the dressing for this salad is what makes it. It's a super tangy mustard-based vinaigrette. So it starts with, is that funny, Claire? She's sitting here while I record the voiceover. It starts with half a cup of oil, and then you add in 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar and 3 tablespoons of yellow mustard. I added about a 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder and then just seasoned it with some salt and pepper. And if this dressing isn't appealing to you, I think this salad would be equally as delicious with something creamy like blue cheese, ranch, or Parmesan peppercorn too. Lastly, I had to prep the veggies for my salad. So I washed and dried a head of romaine lettuce, which is nice and crunchy. And then I diced up some vine-ripened tomatoes and also some kosher dill pickle spears. These are from Aldi. They are delicious. They're super crunchy. They have a great flavor. So I cut those into small pieces. Another vegetable that I sometimes add are roasted potatoes. So you kind of get that French fry vibe with the salad. You could also do some diced up bell peppers too. Assembling the salad is very quick and easy. You just layer in your vegetables, top it with as many burger patties as you'd like, and drizzle it with dressing. This dinner is perfect for a quick weeknight dinner, and my kids loved it because it's very customizable. They could pick and choose which toppings they wanted to keep for their burgers. I also just bought a package of slider buns too, so they could have regular burgers if they wanted. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram at Anne's Family Recipe, and give this video a thumbs up if you liked my cheeseburger salad today. Thank you so much for joining me here in my kitchen, and I'll see you again soon with more family recipes.